x plus a will be sin of x plus b. Cos of x plus a divided by sin of a x plus b. Put denominator angle will be equal to t. Put x plus b will be equal to t. X will be equal to t minus b. Equation 1. Differentiate 1 with respect to t. dx by dt equal to 1 minus 0. I mean this equal to this. dx equal to dt. Then cos of value of x is a t minus b. Value of x is a t minus b plus का a और dx equal to dt और नीचे sin of a t. Cos of t plus a minus b divided by sin of t and then dt. Use formula. Cos of a plus b will be equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Then this will be equal to where a is t and b is minus b. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Is that clear? Each and every term divided by sin of t and then dt. Then this will be equal to cos of t by sin of t into cos of a minus b into dt minus sin of t by sin of t into sin of a minus b into dt. Sin t से sin t cancel. Cos of a minus b treated as constant out of bracket, out of integral cos upon sin cot of t dt minus sin of a minus b out of integral of dt. Then cos of a minus b cot t का log mod sin of t minus sin of a minus b dt का इंटीग्रल t प्लस सम कांस्टेंट c. हमने यूज क्या किया? यूज किया फॉर्मूला इंटीग्रल ऑफ cot of t dt इक्वल टू log mod sin of t. Log mod sin of t plus some constant c. Now put the value of t. Cos of a minus b log mod sin of value of t is a x plus b minus t की वैल्यू x plus b into sin of a minus b. You can change constant c instead of c is c1. Then plus some constant c1. After that cos of a minus b log mod sin of x plus b minus x times sin of a minus b minus b times sin of a minus b plus c1. This is total one of the constant and by then this is c, where c equal to c1 minus b times sin of a minus b. Put the value of this in c. So cos of a minus b log of mod of sin of x plus b minus x times sin of a minus b or plus some constant c. Answer is this. Clear? Next क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 का फर्स्ट 1 minus sin x within the root. क्वेश्चन 14 का फर्स्ट 1 minus sin x within the root dx divided by 1 minus cos of 90 minus x. यूज द फॉर्मूला, कौन सा यूज किया? यूज बाय क्वाड्रेंट्स cos 90 minus थीटा इक्वल टू साइन ऑफ थीटा. ये फॉर्मूला में यूज करेंगे. एंड यूज 1 minus cos थीटा 2 sin square angle by 2, I mean theta by 2. Then this can be written as dx divided by within the root 2 sin square pi by 4 minus x by 2. Root 2 out of integral out of roots 1 by 1 dx divided by within the roots square sin of pi by 4 minus x by 2. इसका होल स्क्वायर कैन बी रिटन एज दिस. This square to this root cancel. Then this is 1 by root 2 dx divided by sin of pi by 4 minus x by 2. 1 by root 2 integral of cosecant of pi by 4 minus x by 2 into dx. 1 by log mod cosecant of that angle minus cot of that particular angle plus some constant c. What is the angle? Angle is a pi by 4 minus x by 2. Pi by 4 minus x by 2. And that's your answer. You can do it. Clear? Question number 14 का सेकंड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 पार्ट सेकंड. इंटीग्रल ऑफ sin x dx डिवाइडेड बाय 1 plus sin x. 1 to be added or 1 to be subtracted and then dx 1 plus sin x. 1 add 1 subtract in numerator and separate. This will be equal to 1 plus sin x divided by within the root 1 plus sin x and then dx minus 1 into dx. This divided by this minus 1 divided by this. 1 plus a sin of x. Then half power this, 1 power this, half cancel, half remaining. 1 plus sin of x dx minus dx divided by 1 plus sin of x. Now this can be expressible as 1 is a sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 out of root a dx minus this can be written as 1 plus cos 90 minus x. We have to use type of formulas. Number 1, put 1 equal to sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2. Then sin x can be written as 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 in first integrand. In second integrand sin x can be expressible as cos 90 minus x. You can check it. In second integral, sin x can be written as cos pi by 2 minus x. And use 1 plus cos theta 2 cos square theta by 2 angle by 2. Now this will be equal to within the root sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 और उसका whole square into dx. This is the square. This 2 से root cancel minus dx divided by 2 cos square angle by 2 pi by 4 minus x by 2. This will be equal to sin x by 2 dx plus cos x by 2 dx minus 1 by root 2 out of integral square से root cancel dx divided by within the root square बाहर निकाल दिया cos of pi by 4 minus x by 2. ये जो square है इस square से root cancel. Then this can be written as sin का इंटीग्रल minus cos of x by 2 divided by derivative of their angle x by 2. Cos का इंटीग्रल sin x by 2 और divided by derivative of their angle d by dx of their angle, that is x by 2 minus 1 by root 2 और ये dx divided by cos of pi by 4 minus x by 2. Then minus cos of x by 2 divided by 1 by 2. Second plus sin of x by 2 divided by 1 by 2 minus 1 by root 2 secant of pi by 4 minus x by 2 into dx. Now come on this. This will be equal to minus 2 cos of x by 2 plus 2 sin of x by 2 minus 1 by root 2 integral of secant log mod secant of angle plus tangent of same angle or plus some constant c. Angle is a pi by 4 minus x by 2 and pi by 4 minus x by 2 or whole term divided by d by dx of their angle pi by 4 minus x by 2. Out of these two terms, two taken to be common. Firstly, we have to write as sin of x by 2 minus cos of x by 2 minus 1 by root 2 or a log mod secant of this angle plus tangent of this angle plus some constant c. Angle, what is the angle? Pi by 4 minus x by 2 pi by 4 minus x by 2 divided by डेरिवेटिव पाई बाई 4 का कांस्टेंट का 0 माइनस एक्स बाई 2 का माइनस 1 बाई 2. ये माइनस यहाँ आएगा 2 ऊपर जाएगा, ये 2 कहाँ चला जाएगा, ये 2 यहाँ से घूम के यहाँ आ जाएगा, यहाँ आ जाएगा. कितना हो जाएगा 2 टाइम साइन ऑफ x बाई 2 माइनस कोस ऑफ x बाई 2 ब्रैकेट क्लोज माइनस 2 डिवाइडेड बाय रूट 2 log of mod of secant of angle plus tangent of same angle plus some constant c माइनस माइनस प्लस और यहाँ कितना pi by 4 minus x by 2. Pi by 4 minus x by 2. This is very most important question. This is a very most important question. Lovely. Fifteenth का first 1 by sin x plus cos x dx. 15th का first dx divided by sin x plus a cos x. Then this will be equal to dx divided by 2 से multiply √2 से और √2 से डिवाइड sin x plus cos x divided by √2. Then this can be written as 1 by √2 out of integral dx divided by sin x into 1 by √2 cos x into 1 by √2. You know sin pi by 4 is sin 45 degree. This is 1 by √2. Pi is a 180 degree or pi by 4 is a 180 by 4. That is 45 degree. Sin 45 by 4. Similarly, cos of pi by 4 equal to cos of 45 degree. That is also 1 by 4. Then this can be expressible as 1 by √2 out of integral dx divided by sin x cos pi by 4. Value of 1 by √2 is cos pi by 4 plus cos x sin pi by 4. This can be written as this dx divided by sin of x plus pi by 4. कौन सा फार्मूला यूज किया? sin of a plus b का and use formula sin of a plus b equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Then this can be written as this 1 by √2 और 1 by sin क्या होता है? cosecant of x plus pi by 4 into dx. Then now use 1 by sin theta will be equal to cosecant theta and use integral of cosecant theta d theta equal to log mod tangent of theta by 2 plus c. Then this can be written as 1 by √2 out of integral of cosecant log mod tangent of angle divided by 2. What is the angle? Angle is x plus a pi by 4. Is that clear? Then plus some percentage c. 1 by √2 log mod tangent of x by 2 plus pi by 8 plus some percentage c. That's your answer. You can do it. और देखो इसको स्टार्ट करना और दो सेंस दे देते इसका और ये स्टार्ट ना 1 by √2 after this you can be apply same other formulas, same function. Integral of log mod cosecant of same angle minus cot of same angle plus some constant c. Angle is a x plus pi by 4, x plus a pi by 4. Now this is also the answer of the question. Question number 15th का second part. Secant x a plus b tan x. Integral of secant x dx divided by a plus b tangent of x. Then secant of x dx divided by a plus b. Tangent x can be written as sin x by cos x. Use formula. Tangent of x will be equal to sin of x by cos of x. Is that clear? Then after taking their LCM and cosecant x and secant x can be written as this 1 by cos of x. This secant x can convert in 1 by cos of x dx divided by a cos x plus b sin x or divided by LCM cos of x. Then this cos to this cos cancel. Ultimately result is you are getting dx divided by a cos x plus b sin x. Is that clear? Now put a equal to r cos theta, equation number 1. A equal to r cos theta and b equal to r sin theta, equation number 2. Now squaring and adding 1 and 2 on both sides. A square plus b square equal to r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. Then this can be written as a square plus b square will be equal to r square common. Cos square theta plus sin square theta. This is 1, you know this is 1. So this is equal to r square into 1, that is r square. हमने क्या यूज कर दिया? हमने यूज कर दिया cos square theta plus sin square theta. It is in 10. This is 1. R square equal to, you are getting r square will be equal to a square plus a b square and r will be equal to plus minus under the root a square plus a b square. But r never be negative, so r equal to minus quantity a square plus b square, reject. Then what will does next? R equal to plus time under the a square plus a b square. Now equation 2 divided by 1 implies equation 2 divided by equation 1 implies equation 2 है r sin theta, this is 2, और equation 1 है r cos theta equal to b divided by a. R to r cancel, sin by cos, tangent of theta will be equal to b by a, and then theta will be equal to tangent inverse b by a. Put in this dx divided by a की वैल्यू r cos theta into cos of x, b की वैल्यू r sin theta into sin of x. Then 1 by r common, dx divided by cos x cos theta plus sin x sin theta. Ultimately this will be equal to 1 by r dx divided by cos of x minus theta। हमने कौन सा फार्मूला यूज किया? हमने यूज किया फार्मूला cos ऑफ a प्लस b, a माइनस b का cos a cos b माइनस sin a sin b, ये फार्मूला हमने यूज करा। अब इसको ऊपर लेके जाया जाए तो क्या हो जाएगा? 1 बाय cos क्या होता है? एंड यूज 1 by cos theta equal to secant theta. So this is a secant of x minus theta dx. अब 1 by r out of integral secant का log mod secant of theta plus tangent of theta plus some constant c. What is the value of theta? Theta is x minus theta. X minus theta, where r equal to under the root a square plus b square and theta equal to tangent inverse b by a. That's your answer. You can do it.